Good morning, students. Today our topic is addition of weight. We have already discussed units of weight. Today we will learn how we can add these units. We know that units of weight are kilogram, gram, and milligram. Now we will solve some questions related to these three units. Okay, so let us start with the help of some examples. Our first example is 23 kilogram 560 gram plus 52 kilogram 232 gram. We will do addition in the same way as we have done in addition of length. Okay, so first of all we will write units of weight. Here are two units, kilogram and gram. First of all we will write these two units, kilogram and gram. Then we will write the numbers according to their unit. In first 23 kilogram, so I will write 23 below kilogram. Okay, and here is 567 gram, so I will write 567 below gram. Similarly, our second number is 52 kilogram, so I will write here 52 kilogram, so I will write 52 below kilogram. And here is 232 gram, so I will write here 232 below gram. Now put a sign of plus here. Okay, now we will start doing addition. We know we always do addition from right hand side, so in this way we will do addition first gram. Okay, 7 plus 2 9, 6 plus 3 9, 5 plus 2 7. So our gram is complete. Now move to kilogram. 3 plus 2 5 and 5 plus 2 7. So our answer is 75799. Now we will write here unit 75 kilogram and 799 gram. Okay. Now let us discuss second question. Suppose we want to add 15 kilogram 360 gram and 22 kilogram 853 gram. We want to add these two numbers. Here again two units are used, kilogram and gram. So first of all write units kilogram and gram. Now we will write number according to their units. Now first 15 kilogram, so I will write 15 below kilogram, and 360 gram, so I will write 360 below gram. Now second number is 22 kilogram, so I will write here 22 kilogram, so I will write 22 below kilogram. And 853 gram, so I will write here 853. Put a sign of plus here. Okay, now start doing addition from right side. So first of all 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 how much? 3. Then move to next place. 6 plus 5 how much? Count on your fingers. 6 plus 5 11. So I will write here 1. 1 will add to next place. Okay, now next place is 3 plus 8 11. 11 plus 1 carry here. So 8 plus 3 11 plus 1 12. So I will write here 12 means 2 I will write here, and 1 will be add to next place. 1 will add to next kilogram place. Okay, now gram place is complete, so I will complete now kilogram. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. Now 2 plus 1 3. Okay, 38 kilogram and 213 gram. Now let us discuss third example. Now I will take three numbers. Okay, first number is 22 kilogram 356 gram. Second number is 19 kilogram 436 gram. 42 kilogram 654 gram. Okay, so first of all I will write here units kilogram and gram. Now I will write three numbers one by one. First number is 22 kilogram 356 gram. So I will write 22 below kilogram and 356 below gram. Okay. Now we will write second number. Second number is 19 kilogram 436 gram. So I will write 19 below kilogram and 436 below gram. Now our third number is 42 kilogram 654 gram. So I will write 42 below kilogram and 654 below gram. Okay, now here are three numbers. Now we have to add. Put a sign of plus here. Now we'll start doing addition from which side? From right side. Okay, so first place is 6 plus 6 plus 4. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 4, 16. So here 6. 1 will add to next place. Now next place, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Okay, so here 4. 1 will add to next place. You can count on your fingers. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. And 8 plus 6, count on your fingers. 8 plus 6, 14. So here 4. And 1 will add to next place. It will go to kilogram place. Okay, you have to remember this. If there is any carry in this place, this will shift to next place, that is in kilogram place. Now kilogram place, gram place is complete. 446 gram. Now kilogram, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So here 4. 1 will add to next place. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So here 8, 4. So our answer is 84 kilogram 446 gram. Okay. Now let us discuss one more example. Suppose question is 42 kilogram 356 gram, 25 kilogram 136 gram, 19 kilogram 200 gram. We have to add these three numbers. So let us start one by one. First of all, what we will do? We will write here units. Then we will write first number. First number according to their units, 42 kilogram. So write 42 below kilogram and 357 gram. So here 357 below gram. Now our second number is 25 kilogram. So here I will write 25 and 136 gram. So I will write here 136. Third number is 19 kilogram. So here I will write 19 and here I will write 200. Put a sign of plus here. Now start doing addition. First of all, we will complete gram place. So here 7 plus 6. 6 plus 7 plus 6, 13. So here I will write 13. 3. Okay. 1 will add to next place. Now move to next place, that is tens place. Now 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Plus 1 carry. So here I will write 9. Okay. Now move to next place. This place is complete, no carry. Now next place is 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So here 693. 693 gram. Okay. So our gram place is complete. Now we will move to kilogram place. Here is no carry. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 9. Count on your fingers. 7 plus 9 how much? 16. So here 6. How much carry? 1. 1 will add to next place. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So here 8. So our answer is 8, 6 and 6, 9, 3. But we will, first of all, we will write their units. 86 is below kilogram. So 86 kilogram. Okay. And 693 is below gram. This place. So 693 gram. So our answer is 86 kilogram 693 gram. units are compulsory. We should write always units, whether it is kilogram or it is gram or milligram. Okay, in this way we can add units of weight.